Chia seeds versus flax seeds, a nutritional showdown. Hey there, fast vegans. Today we're going to explore the nutritional differences between two popular plant-based superfoods, chia seeds and flax seeds. Both of these seeds are known for their impressive health benefits, but which one comes out on top? Let's find out. Nutritional comparison. First, let's take a look at the nutritional profiles of chia seeds and flax seeds. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Chia seeds. According to a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, flax seeds. As reported in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, flax seeds contain fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, a type of antioxidant, vitamin B1, magnesium, phosphorus, selenium, omega-3 fatty acids. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. According to the National Institutes of Health, ALA is essential for maintaining heart health and reducing inflammation. However, flax seeds contain a higher concentration of ALA compared to chia seeds, giving them an advantage in this category. Fiber and protein. Chia seeds and flax seeds are both high in fiber and protein. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that chia seeds are particularly high in soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. On the other hand, flax seeds contain more protein per serving compared to chia seeds, making them a better choice for those looking to increase their protein intake. Antioxidants. While both chia and flax seeds contain antioxidants, flax seeds are unique in their lignin content. Lignans are a type of phytoestrogen with antioxidant properties, and according to the Linus Pauling Institute, they may play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly hormone-sensitive cancers like breast and prostate cancer. Preparation. One key difference between chia seeds and flax seeds is their preparation. Chia seeds can be consumed whole, while flax seeds need to be ground to release their nutrients, as reported by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. The verdict. Both chia seeds and flax seeds offer numerous health benefits, and incorporating them into your diet can be advantageous. Flax seeds have a slight edge in terms of omega-3 fatty acids and protein content, while chia seeds are more convenient to use and have slightly higher fiber content. In the end, it's a good idea to include both seeds in your diet to enjoy the unique benefits they provide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Fast Vegan for more informative content on plant-based living. Until next time.